I feel that the life that my parents lived, that the organizations that existed, solved so many issues for so many Jews who had come here. If you think about it, knock it and bovis, really. I mean, what did they know about America and what they could do in America and what America needed and wanted and demanded? And that the organizations flew up everywhere. The Yiva, the Tzika, the Volksbühne. My parents supported the Volksbühne for years, and I have a letter that she wrote when she was sending in one of her big donations in honor of, and you know, that sort of thing. That I hope that maybe there'll be different kinds of things. When the women's movement started, the women's movement got everybody into women's consciousness raising groups. I used to go on my show and tell men, and there were men listening because there were doctors used to listen because they would do the rounds and say, please find a men's consciousness raising group to give you a chance for the first time to let your heart out and talk and say all the things so that you also hear that every one of the guys has the same problems, and to release some of the anxiety around this women's movement itself, which is shaking the earth. And I have to believe that there will be more of that. As I look at the young generation, and I have 6 grandchildren, they are more idealistic. They do know. They are political. Of course, they would be in my family because that's how we would all talk anyway. But on their own desires to find something meaningful. It used to be in the old days, you went to college, you got a better job, you made more money, and you retired at 65, period. Whether you really loved it or not, it was not what I love. My grandchildren were lectured by me. You're going to work more than you do anything else in your life. You had better find something to do that you love so much that you can't wait to get up and do it again. And that it's complex enough. So once you've learned how to do it one way, you can take that and put it over here because new things are happening. And then you take both of these because you see they would have some application over here. And they all heard me. Yeah. So I think that brand of Yiddishkeit, I hope, will continue. I don't know about Yiddish itself. It seems a curiosity in a way. And it has everything to do with whether the anti-Semitic president really has his way and more people say, let's kill the Jews again, or not. But I believe that we're looking for the soul, and I believe that is crucial in life. And my Yiddishkeit gave me that.